if the light goes red, so you know when you're on.
Go, 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 go!
Need petrol. Red cap, you're supposed to know this, Gaz. We're drowning, quick.
I was drunk last time I did this.
Huh.
Remove red. So keep bailing, keep bailing. Remove red cap. We're fucked. Then withdraw striker from handle. Where's the freaking striker?
That's what I said. The handle at the other end. No, listen to me, you people.
Ah,
I just told you. Now
okay.
you just spark the end and it's away.
Well, it should say that from the other end. I'm looking at the top end.
No, they're not. Don't read anything
Drive
else.
firmly across ignition point. So you pull the
On the
top,
top.
you pull the bottom, and then you go.
Go.
I'll do it first.
Shoot.
Go. Quick. Fire.
Fire in a hole, you reckon?
Woo!
How bright are they, Dave? They're really bright. Yes, isn't it?
I can't see anything. Oh, he found it. It is.
I've got to try it.
Yeah, you can snout
Everyone else doing it.
Yeah, you can snout and entrails.
And we had to bring over an American to show us how to do it.
Fully imported. Yeah, it looks alright. It's a pop pack, so it's vinyl inside.
Is that recording?
I don't know, it should be red info light, it's on.
Red light?
No, it's clean up
Superstart. That is a big sucker. For a Talon, that's a big...
Oh, it's good, 55 cc.
We're on.